RoboCoach enables businesses to direct and manage the work performance of employees with autism spectrum disorder, assisting to maintain high worker well-being and optimum output with low error. Work is initiated from the RoboCoach dashboard as team members are assigned individualized tasks for the shift. The dashboard shows each worker on the team and their current self-reported well-being. The worker dashboard shows tasks in cards that are complete with instructions and links to full details about the task. When a worker's well-being changes, they can return to the dashboard to adjust their well-being. The schedule view shows all the tasks for a single worker. Tasks can be added to team members' daily lists. New tasks are immediately blueprinted for reuse in other task assignments for other workers at other times. Notes about the shift can be created and shared with line managers and guardians to keep the team in the loop about the team's progress and roadblocks. RoboChat is available on every screen to allow team members to communicate with job coaches, line managers, and guardians when assistance is needed. If humans are preoccupied, the RoboCoach AI chatbot, can help out. RoboCoach provides the screen functions needed to manage task workflow. The module dashboard provides a task menu. Each task provides a measured result charted on the RoboCoach dashboard. The list of active items enables the RoboCoach to view the status of all current items and to enable redos on specific pieces if necessary. To manage the workflow, a work record is created for each item. For TNDS, work records also function as control documents to maintain the structure of physical document boxes and ensure every piece of paper is digitized and returned to the client. Folders are added to the digital structure, and if the paper file is too thick for the scanner, it is split into smaller parts. Tabbed divider pages splitting folders are swapped out for untabbed sequential or custom divider pages. A listing of items is generated for each box. Cover pages are created with QR codes to reduce typing errors and maintain high throughput. Time-sensitive tasks like preparing documents for digitization have task screens calculating the time spent on a piece-by-piece basis. Key indicators of effort are displayed prominently to motivate faster performance. Reading the QR code into the screen starts the timer. As the work is performed, the clock counts the time. After 1 minute, the timer color changes from green to yellow, and after 2 minutes to red. To stop the timer, an input, like entering the number of pages, is required. Each item receives a data point calculated and added to the performance chart. Line segments between points indicate the piece-to-piece change in effort. A task trend line shows the overall effort trajectory through the task performance. The chart background also changes color, clearly and quietly indicating the need for performance improvement and reducing the need for well-being and throughput-reducing RoboCoach nagging. Scanning functions similar to preparation in terms of task timing and charting. RoboCoach captures the task performance metrics for batches and individual items while scanning. For scanning, however, the timer is stopped when RoboCoach detects the presence of the newly scanned file in the scan directory rather than by a user input. The verification screen demonstrates what we can do with our newly created digital file. Open it, ensure its digital contents match its physical counterparts, and repair any errors as needed. The document viewer built into the TNDS module displays all document pages and enables blank page removal, page rotation, addition of missing pages, or replacement of damaged or obstructed pages. The timer is stopped by a button click to pass or repair the document. The final piece to the TNDS module demonstrates document control to ensure all physical pages received and processed land back in their originating boxes for return to the client. Home plate boxes are determined for document folders by scanning the QR code. RoboCoach displays the file, the number of remaining parts, and the list of items from the same box ready to be repacked. When RoboCoach gets into a spot of trouble, the worker has immediate recourse to log the issue via the problem logger on the front end. On the back end, RoboCoach automatically detects crashes and messages the worker. Additionally, if the worker is lost in the task and the job coach is currently unavailable, they have an option to get help. A help link is embedded on each page, which, when clicked, takes the worker to the TNDS wiki page related to the particular task. All work steps and stages are clearly described in the TNDS wiki, in short and long forms, with diagrams and images to support training. Brian, one of our top workers on our TNDS A team, is going to demonstrate how we digitize a box of documents for our client using RoboCoach and the TNDS module. When he first logs into RoboCoach for his shift, Brian performs a 3-step well-being check-in. He looks at the task schedule and determines if he needs more information about the tasks. He starts with cover page creation, selecting the customer and creating the cover pages. During preparation, he uses the cover page QR codes to initiate the preparation timer, and then he prepares the documents to pass through the scanner. Brian estimates the page numbers to give an indication of the effort made for the piece, and a data point is added to the chart. As more pieces are scanned and prepared, we get a clearer picture of Brian's work, and we can see how his effort in the physical world merges seamlessly with the digital machinery of RoboCoach. RoboCoach's consistent task management ensures that even when the task changes, the expectation remains the same, as does the measurement technique. This enables the worker to simply change the task and not the cognitive machinery that accompanies it, allowing for reduced cognitive loading and smoother transitions between tasks. RoboCoach works smoothly with third-party software to complete the set tasks. Scanning software to operate the physical scanners produces the PDF document, while RoboCoach performs the check to determine that the PDF document has in fact been created. The TNDS wiki provides finesse details like multitasking, so workers take advantage of every moment while on shift. If an error is made during the work or an issue like a paper jam presents itself, more time than is typical is consumed and reported on the worker's screen via a high data point, an upward turn trend line, or a red or yellow chart. Verification demonstrates the TNDS module capacity for examining and modifying a produced unit. As with scanning, performance time is the prime measure, and the same features are enabled to manage hand speed. The verification pathway branches, with one branch leading to passing the file, while the other leads to repairing the file. Here, RoboCoach again melds seamlessly with third-party scanner software to produce the quality results. The repacking feature simply provides the home of the original paper document, tabulates outstanding items from the same location, and adjusts the status of the scanned-in piece. As pieces are scanned into the repack feature, they are likewise checked off the physical list generated during cover page creation, ensuring complete document tracking. RoboCoach is designed to enable youth with autism spectrum disorder to fulfill tasks of varying complexity. With RoboCoach, workers can be scheduled, trained, and tasked to do work ranging in intricacy from simple to complex. RoboCoach, enabling profitable employees with ASD, no matter the task at hand.